Hello everybody, it's James with Calvin Tides, and in the first video we did a simple tabbed box, which, just to kind of get an idea of how we can put our own custom tabs, without using a tab generating sort of program to do custom tabs on a box. And today I want to show you a way to do some quick tabs in case you want more tabs laid out that aren't. It doesn't take as long to make. So pull out a box here, and I'm going to set my material height 5 millimeters, and let's see. We'll make this. Let's just do the same 80 by 100 millimeters for the basic outline of our box, the base of our box. So I'm just going to drop that down to the surface here. And so I'm going to press Control C, Control V, make a copy, pull that out over here, and then again we're going to resize this using our Smart Scale to make one of our little tabs. This time I'm going to make the tab 10 by 5 by 5. Make the tab a little smaller because we're going to have more of them. And of course you can make these tabs any size you want and whatever fits your particular project. So I'm going to select the face, and I'm just going to snap it over here, and I'm going to make a copy, copy paste, and I'm just going to drag this one over 85 so it's on the other side. And now I'm going to select all my pieces here. I'm going to press A on the keyboard to get my align menu. I'm just going to align it to this bottom here, and press the check mark, and OK. And so we've got two tabs, one on each side of our box, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one, hold shift, and select the other one, and we'll go up to our pattern, and we're going to choose rectangular pattern, and then it's going to, so we've already got our solid selected, so we want the direction, and so we choose a direction, and we can choose either one of these directions we want to go, and pull them out. Oh, invalid operation. Why did that happen? That will happen every once in a while. So we'll just start over. Take our tabs, go up to rectangular pattern, and choose a direction. There we go. Got both our arrows here. And it's going to, by default, it's always going to give us a quantity of 3, and that's okay because we can change that after. You can see I can just pull all the way to the end here, to the other side, which is going to be 90 millimeters since our tabs are 10 millimeters a piece, and it's going to place those equal distance apart, and those 3. But if I want 4, there we go. We just change that, and now we've got 4 tabs on each side, equal distance apart, and I can bring that right up to when they start actually touching, and then of course overlapping. But in this case, I think maybe 5 would look pretty good there. And so I just thought that would be a quick little snippet for you when you're making custom designs, if you want to make these tabs quickly and have them all equally distanced apart, rather than trying to put them on one by one and then doing that whole copy paste and snapping everything. Looks like somebody's giving me a call, so somebody else needs help too. So until next time, we'll catch you later. Bye.